Welcome to this tutorial on Krion6D. In this video, we'll guide you through creating and managing an RFI task using our task management system. Let's start by selecting the action option from the sidebar. From the list of features, choose RFI. This opens the RFI's task page. Now let's create a new RFI. Click the Add button in the top right corner to start adding a new RFI task. Now, let's fill in the required fields step by step. Toggle the Create as Review button on if you want this linked as a review task. Enter the RFI code, which must follow the ISO 19650 standard. Enter the name of the RFI. In the question field, type the question related to the issue. Add a suggested answer in the corresponding field. Use the calendar view to select the due date for this eRFI. Enter the specific location where this RFI is relevant. Select the RFI type from the drop-down list. Choose the relevant discipline from the drop-down menu. Select the appropriate category from the drop-down. Assign a workflow to the RFI by selecting the appropriate option. Choose the priority level from the drop-down menu. Next, you can attach files and images to the RFI. You can also attach additional documents by selecting Krion6D or other file types like reviews, RFIs, submittals, and more. Once all the information is filled in, click the Create button to save the RFI task. The RFI has been created, and you can now find it in the RFI list. Select the newly created RFI to view its details. The RFI Details page displays all the information and attachments. You can also view the 3D drawing related to the RFI. In the 3D view, you can mark specific areas related to the RFI using the Markup feature. Let's select the Markup icon to begin marking up the drawing. Mark the specific area on the drawing. In the sidebar, you can add markup details such as comments and save them. Next, let's create an RFI directly in the 3D drawing view by selecting the RFI issue icon. Fill in the RFI details like code, name, comment, and workflow. Save the RFI and it will appear in the Recent Tasks section on the 3D view page. Now, let's start the workflow for this RFI. In Step 1, the requester will submit the RFI for review. The Submit task pop-up appears where you can attach files, add comments, and choose the status from the drop-down. In Step 2, the reviewer will go through the same process to submit their review. Once they finish, the status will update to Answered. After the review is completed, the workflow will be marked as answered with a green status indicator in the RFI list. And that's how you create, manage, and complete an RFI task, including utilizing the 3D markup feature and following the workflow process. Thank you for watching.